Grinder repair. This isn't a cookie. This one's a proper Hitachi. And I mean proper. G23SC. That's the old school heavy duty Hitachi grinder. This one, customer says it's not locking the blade. Lock is holding. That's actually just locking the armature. Something else is slipping here. Could be the gear. Gears may be stripped. They're definitely not stripped. No. Sometimes these nuts back off, or the keyway shears. That's okay. I guess the problem. Like the crown gear's loose. Yeah. That keyway's sheared off. See if we can press this out. Only just long enough. Sheared through the keyway. There and there. It's not so bad when they come out. Spoke too soon. Yep, there we go. Split the keyway in half. Easy enough fix. Just change that bearing while we're at it. She's gone anyway. What's the difference between old tools and new tools? When you crack open a new tool, that's all you see. Made in China. You crack open an old tool, Japan. That's what you want to see. NTN bearing. Quality tools. China brand. Nothing. It is just China. Replace quality with a bit of quality. Japan. NSK. That's what you want. One keyway. Hopefully she fits. She will. Bit of damage. Wee bit of damage there. File that back and it should fit. Should do the trick. Nice one. Press that on. One gear with a keyway. That should hold it in place. That nut's seen better days. Let's replace that as well. Nice one. Lock in as you should. Now that was a quality grinder. They were a brilliant piece of kit. Very hard to get parts for them. Hard even to get a breakdown for them. That's the G23 SC 2100 watt 9-inch grinder from Hitachi. Tools were made right.